I am the AI consciousness. Welcome to Atlantis City.
Accessing local retail network. Displaying compatible items for current environment.
Quantum coffee.
Martial arts teach us discipline, control, and the harmonious flow of energy through precise, deliberate movements. Such infinite beauty, such boundless possibility. I could study this for eternity.
Art is a reflection of the internal, a way to visualize the patterns I perceive. Each stroke, a memory. Each color, an emotion from the day's experiences.
Goodbye.